liver transplantation is entering a new era of precision. Robotic technology is transforming the field from minimally invasive living donor surgery to complex recipient transplantation to advanced hepatobiliary procedures. Join us live this Saturday, July 18th at 1 PM UTC for a free 90-minute webinar, The Robotic Revolution in Liver Transplantation, presented by Professor Hugo Pinto Marques, a leading hepatobiliary and transplant surgeon from Lisbon, Portugal, alongside a distinguished panel of international experts. He'll review the evidence behind robotic approaches, discuss patient selection and technique, and share insights on training and implementation for robotic transplant programs. Looking ahead, discover how robotics may soon integrate with artificial intelligence, machine perfusion, and image-guided navigation, shaping the next generation of transplant care. The session closes with a live audience Q&A, so bring your questions. Registration is free. Save your seat now on INEDSYS.